Hello, I'm Dr. Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute, and I'm here with one of my patients who's just came in for a checkup today, and she had the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. This is a new type of rhizotomy being done to treat facet joint pain. I say it a lot, but the most common cause of back pain and neck pain is a herniated disc. The second most common cause is a arthritic facet joint that's painful. And the standard treatment these days is something called a radiofrequency ablation, or RFA rhizotomy. The problem is that RFA rhizotomies don't deliver very much energy to the facet joint. So if they get the nerve, usually it's temporary and the nerve just grows back. We figured out a way to deliver more energy through what's called a plasma rhizotomy. It's a Deuk plasma rhizotomy, and you had it done about a week ago. How do you feel today?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I have zero pain. So.
And what did you say to me earlier? This is the first time you've been pain-free in
Years.
Years. How many years have you been dealing with back pain?
Yeah, probably 10.
10 years.
It's been a long time.
And
yes.
you look very happy.
I'm very happy.
Now, you did have the RFA. It worked for, gave you some relief for a little while, then the pain came back. And this feels different though.
This feels different, as in within 2 days I had zero pain.
That's awesome.
And now here I am a week later. I can run a marathon, I think.
Good.
I mean, I won't yet, but I can, so.
All right, and there's millions of people out there, and that's why we do these testimonials, really for them, not for me, not for you, but it's to spread the message of hope that there is a way to get out of back pain. You just have to stick with it, find the right place, get the right procedure, and eventually you can get there. And what do you say to that?
I say you're correct. That's Deuk Spine Institute didn't give up on me. I've had several procedures, but you kept pursuing my pain until you figured it out. So thank you very much.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Anything else you want to say to your fans out there?
To my fans, come see this man. He is amazing. Deuk Spine Institute staff is amazing. Everyone treats you with respect, and they listen to you. That's very important to me. So I just want to encourage people, don't live with the pain. Please come see Dr. Deuk and Dr. Patel at the Deuk Spine Institute. I
appreciate you saying that. The lesson here is don't give up on your pain.
Yes.
There is a way to fix it. And a lot of patients, probably about 25%, end up having more than one source of back pain. And we have to treat each source because each source requires a slightly different treatment. The rhizotomies definitely were what you needed, but you needed a rhizotomy that worked well because of all the inflammation of the facet joints and the scar tissue. And the plasma rhizotomy is the most powerful rhizotomy that can be done. It's only done at Deuk Spine Institute. So congratulations on your new lease on your back. All right, let's get you out of here.